Does your resume sound like a job description? If you're using phrases like responsible for or duties include, you might be underselling yourself without even realizing it. In the 6 seconds a recruiter spends scanning your resume, passive language makes you invisible. But strong action verbs, they make you impossible to ignore. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to swap weak passive words for powerful results-driven language that gets you hired. We'll cover verbs for leadership, creative roles, and even tech, plus how to use them if you don't have a lot of experience. So why the fuss about the verbs? It's simple. Passive language describes what you were supposed to do. Active language describes what you actually achieved. The right verbs help you boost the impact of specific accomplishments and crucially help you meet the requirements of applicant tracking system, the software that often reads your resume before a human does. Words like achieved, delivered, exceeded, generated, and transformed are highly descriptive, but here is the secret sauce. You need to combine these with numbers. See the difference? Boosted sales revenue by 30% over 6 months paints a vivid picture. To emphasize that you can deliver results, try words like expanded, initiated, maximized, optimized, or outperformed. These words turn generic bullet points into compelling evidence of your professional value. Now, what if you are in a creative or technical field? You might think this does not apply to you, but it's actually even more important to show your innovation. For creative and tech roles, you want verbs that emphasize your ability to bring ideas to life, to showcase expertise in building things. Try designed, developed, customized, engineered, or formulated. If you've created original content or solutions, use words like conceived, originated, fabricated, innovated, or sparked. These highlight your role as a creative problem solver. For my tech professionals, verbs like programmed, coded, implemented, and automated demonstrate hands-on skills, while words like optimize and streamline communicate that you add value and efficiency, not just code. A common trap is using the word managed or led 10 times on one page. Repetition weakens your message. First, maintain a go-to list of diverse action verbs. If you find yourself using the same word, check a thesaurus. If several bullet points are about change, mix it up. Use revamp, refine, overhaul, or upgrade instead of just changed. You can also use online tools, resume keyword finders, or ATS-friendly resume scanners. These tools analyze job descriptions and suggest impactful verbs tailored to specific positions you are applying for. Another pro tip, use modifying verbs. Instead of just organize, try proactively organize. Instead of achieved, try consistently achieved. It adds detail and flavor. Finally, can words compensate for a lack of experience? The honest answer is words can't replace experience, but they can significantly improve how your potential is perceived. If you are pivoting careers or just starting out, use words that convey initiative and adaptability. Words like proactively, pivoted, organized, or drove. These emphasize transferable skills and show hiring manager you are ready to grow. Strong, specific action words shift your experience from passive descriptions to compelling demonstration of achievement. They spotlight your strengths and help you stand out. If you're staring at your resume right now and feeling stuck on which words to choose, you don't have to do it alone. We have a ton of free resources on our blog to help you navigate this. Or if you want a personalized strategy for your career pivot, you can schedule a free consultation with us. The link is in the description below. If you found this helpful, give it a like and check out the next video on our channel. See you there.